Hey, 7th and 8th graders, Mrs. Suki here. Wanted to connect on a couple things. First off, I am on the Minnewaska Schools webpage because I need you to look very closely at attendance. Some of you aren't taking attendance on the days that you're not here, and I need you to. If you don't take attendance on those days, we have to start counting you absent. And then sometimes it's some more people involved, and it's not a very fun thing. So you have to take attendance on the days you're not here. Do it by noon. You're all up by noon. Do it by noon. How to find your attendance. You go to our schools. You find the middle school because you're a 4th through 8th grader. You scroll down. Here's the A day. Here's the B day. If you're an A day student, you take your attendance on an A day. You put your information in, last name, first name, and grade. All easy stuff. B day student, very same thing. And you put your information in. Okay? So all easy stuff for you guys to do. You need to put your attendance in by noon. Okay. Second thing, there's been lots of things that we have had to talk with a few of you about, or many of you about. So a few rules that you need to make sure you are aware of. One is a new change. Students are not to arrive in our building before 7:55 each morning. If you arrive before that time, you need to walk through our door 2 or our main door and go into the gym or go to the cafeteria and grab some breakfast. And you can then after that, you can go at 7:55 into your regular schedule. But again, it's 7:55. If you're dropped off, that doesn't work for your parent, that's fine. Cafeteria or main gym and socially distance. Okay? Second thing, no hats. That's not a new rule, but maybe it's new to you for some reason, but hats just aren't allowed. Same with shirts that would show what we call midriff, show part of your stomach. Those are certainly things that are not okay, that we don't allow, and we're going to ask you to remove your hat or put on another shirt or find you a shirt if we needed to. Lastly, crew, devices are the school property. And so some of you are forgetting that at any point we can go through your device and take a peek at the things that you're looking at, the conversations you've had. And so just if you wouldn't want your grandma to read it, you shouldn't be saying it at school. So make sure that you're treating those appropriately. We've had to start searching some of those and want to make sure that you're being very appropriate. Those are school devices. Okay. Lastly, I want to talk about grades. We have entered into the very final stretch of the first quarter, which means the first 9 weeks of school is complete. And as a 7th and 8th grader, you get graded every single quarter. Your parents will get to see how you're doing, and you can follow that on Student View, which I think many of you have. But if you're missing assignments, now is the time to jump in and complete them. If you're not understanding something, you need to let us know and ask for help. If there's some reason that you're not getting things to your teacher, you're not understanding, you have to advocate for yourself and let us know. Some of our grades maybe aren't what you are hoping they are. And so there's times if you understand something more now or spent more time studying or reading about it, perhaps you want to take a retest. And many of your teachers are open and willing to do that, but you have to ask. Right now, your first quarter grades will be out. We'll stop taking grades on November 5th, I think is the last day of the quarter for you. So grades will be out shortly following that. And it's important that we're putting all of our effort and time into it. All right. I think there may be some changes as we move forward into second quarter, nothing major, but I want to thank you guys for having a great start to the school year. And I am very proud of our 7th and 8th graders and look forward to ways that we can work together to have an even better year. Have a great day. We'll see you soon, guys.